The find and select feature, or find and replace, is an overlooked tool in Excel to enable you to quickly make modifications to the whole of your worksheet. So in this segment, we're just going to go through a couple of examples of where we might use it. So see here we have dates, and the dates here are in slashes. So we have a slash to separate the day, month, year, or the month, day, year, depending on your formatting. But you'll notice down here there's one that has a date that's got dots in it. That's left aligned because Excel looks at it and goes, it can't be a number because it has 2 decimal places in it. So it can't do a mathematical calculation on it. So that's why it left aligns it. Now, this can happen as a result of multiple people touching the spreadsheet and entering in data in a format that they think is correct. So what do you do to fix this? Well, you don't need to go through and edit every single cell. Using the find and select, we can make fixing this up easy. So let's take a look. First of all, I want to change the dates in column E. So I'm going to click on the column heading E to select the entire column. Then I'm going to come over here to find and select. And from there, I'm going to choose replace. Now the dialog box find and replace comes up and it asks me, what do I want to find? I'm going to click in a full stop or a period, and then I'm going to replace it with the slash. Now, I know that I just have this column selected, so it's only going to find and replace in this column. I could go through and replace each one individually, and additionally, I could go through and just find each one if I wanted to see where they occurred. Or if I know I want to replace every occurrence of the dot with the slash in this column, I simply choose replace all. And you can see here, Excel's told us that there are 4 replacements. I'm going to click OK and close. Now, another way this can be useful is, let's just say, for example, you have a spreadsheet. Maybe you've saved it and it was an old client and you're using the same format in another worksheet. So, and you just want to change the client names. What can often happen is, as you're looking through a worksheet, you might miss something. Now, I know we're all good, but sometimes we do miss something. So there might be times where you want to go through and you want to replace something. So we can select the entire worksheet, and let's just say we wanted to replace the NSW with something else. We go to find and select and we choose replace. And in here, I'm going to choose find what, which is NSW, and I'm going to replace it with, and in here, I'm going to put in WA. So it's going to replace every occurrence on my entire worksheet because I've chosen this little marker here. It's going to replace every occurrence of NSW with WA and replace all. Tells you how many replacements it's done. This is particularly handy if you're working with spreadsheets and you have client information, the format is exactly the same, and you're concerned that maybe you have key pieces of information that represent a previous client. So this can be a great way of fixing that.